Hi, this is mathematics class for 12th standard by Sindhanathan. Our next topic is composite function. Now see that, consider two sets, set A, set B. Okay. Now one element x in this set I am taking. From this set A to set B, we are assigning a function. That function is f. Okay, so what we will get, if you are applying this x in this function, what we will get, f of x, or we can say this value is y, that is an image, right? So image of x is this y, or we can say f of x. Okay, now from the set B to another one function I am creating. From here to here we are assigning another function. That function is g. Okay, if you are assigning this function, so this y becomes g of y, right? G of y, or we can say this is g of f of x, right? G of f of x. Okay, right. So now you think about, from the set A to C directly if we go means, what is that? That is nothing but g of g over f, or we can say g of f of x. F of x, or we can say g of f of x, g over f of x, or g of f of x we can say. That is nothing but the function from A to B is denoted f, and then the function from B to C, the set is C. B to C is denoted g, that is f is f function A to B, and the g function from B to C. Then one more function, that is g over f, is from A to C. From A to C if we divide, that is called a g over f. This is called a composite function. Now see one example, you'll get a clear idea. Okay, now for example, f function is nothing but, for example, A to B, where A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to, where A is equal to 1 2 3 and B is equal to 2 3 4, where this f of 1 is equal to, the first function f of 1 is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 4. Now consider this another function g from B to C, where B is equal to the same 2 3 4, and C is equal to, for example, what we can take, 4 5 6. Okay, now where this also g of 2 is equal to 4, and g of 3 is equal to 5, and g of 4 is equal to 6 they given. After that what they are asking, find g over f. Suppose they are asking g over f, so what we have to find first, g over f means it is nothing but g over f of x. Okay, now g over f of, see here the function f starts from A to B, so f of 1 means 2, so first apply 1. F of 1 means, what will get, f of 1 means 2, so g of g over f of x, so that is f of 1, that is equal to, f of 1 means 2, so g of 2. Now what is g of 2? G of 2 is nothing but 4, right? So g over f of 1 means 4, first value. Next, g over f of 2 means f of 2, so what you will get, g over g of f of 2, right? That is nothing but g of, what is f of 2? F of 2 is 3, So g of 3. So now what is g of 3? G of 3 is 5. So the next value g over f of 2 means 5. The next g over f of 3, that is g of f of 3. What is the value of f of 3? F of 3 value is 4. So g of 4. Now what is g of 4? Second function g of 4 is 6. So that's all now. Only 3 values. Therefore we can say that g over f, this function contains the 3 elements 4, 5 and 6. That's all. Simply we can say that if it is 1 mark, we can say easily g over f. See here, the function f from a to b. So 1 is going to 2, right? 1 is going to 2. In this one 2 is going to 4. So 1 comma 4 will come. So 1 is going to 4, so that is 4. The next one 2 is going to 3, here 3 is going to 5. So 5. 3 is going to 4, here 4 is going to 6. So that 6 will come. That's all. This is g over f. In the same problem, suppose they ask that and f over g, how to find f over g? See that now f over g of, what is this function g? First value is 2, right? So g of 2 is equal to f of g of 2. So g of 2 means 4. So f of 4. F of 4 value, there is no f of 4, so it is not defined. So we cannot find f over g for 2. So f over g we cannot find. It is not defined. So only we can find g over f. That's all. See that one more question. F of x is equal to modulus of x. G of x is equal to 2x minus 3 modulus of 2x minus 3. Now we are going to find f over g. That means f of g of x. So f of g of x means f of this g of x value is modulus of 2x minus 3. So f of 2x minus 3. Now see that f of x means what? Modulus of x. So we have to take modulus for the value of x, right? Here actually instead of x, this 2x minus 3 is there. So we have to take modulus for this function. So modulus of 2x minus 3. That's all. This is f over g. This is f over g over. Now g over f. G over f is equal to g of f of x. So g of f of x, what is the value of f of x? F of x is nothing but modulus of x. So that instead of this f of x, we can write modulus of x. So now g of modulus of x. What is g of x? G of x means modulus of 2 into this x minus 3. Correct? So modulus of 2 into this modulus of x minus 3 modulus. So this is different. This is g over f, and that one is f over g. Both are different. So don't think that f over g is equal to g over f. No. Usually f over g will not equal to g over f.